Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, your full email address and password, and any two-factor method like phone or authenticator app. Once done, open the App Store or Play Store, install Microsoft Outlook, and grant required permissions for contacts and notifications. You do this now because the app needs access to sync and notify. Skipping permissions delays setup. Make sure your connection is stable. If you have corporate mail, get server details or app password from IT before continuing. You tap Add Account and enter your full email address. Outlook will attempt automatic configuration. If prompted, choose Exchange for work accounts or a map for personal mail, then supply server, domain, and username. Your IT or provider supplies these. Once you submit credentials, you may be asked to complete two-factor authentication, approve the push, or enter the one-time code. You do this so Outlook can sync folders and calendar. Verify sync settings for mail days to keep storage use sensible. You finish by customizing sync frequency, notification style, and focused inbox so the app behaves how you want. Once configured, send a test message and confirm incoming mail and calendar entries appear. Check folder sync for archived mail. If something fails, make sure your password and server settings are correct and that two-factor was approved. As a quick fix, restart the Outlook app or your phone, then re-attempt sign-in. These steps resolve most connectivity and authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.